I've come here to the Powys archive in Drwy'r, Wales to look through a unique record of the business empire he built. He began to expand his business by sending price lists to local gentry to save them the trouble of visiting the shop. But the idea grew and grew. Here it is. Pryce Jones published the world's first mail-order catalogue. It was a brilliant idea. It meant that from his small shop in Newtown, he could sell his wares across Wales, England, and eventually across the world. This catalogue dates from September 1888. It has things like the Dowager black dolman mantle, specially adapted for ladies who object to jackets. And here's the spring and summer catalogue of 1891. And here we have the corset department with the new pellet tops, pure Greenland whalebone, 1711. It's an amazing record of how Victorian fashion took off across the world. Jones sold to the elite. Queen Victoria was a valued customer, along with other European royals. By 1890, he had more than 200,000 customers. And it wasn't just posh clothes he was selling. Pryce Jones had another innovation up his sleeve, the Euclitia rug, which is said to be the world's first sleeping bag. And this paper shows that he sold 60,000 of them to the Russian army. He also sold to the German army, the British army, and the Euclitia rug ended up in outback stores in Australia and missionary posts in the Congo.